Hello and welcome to the Windows 10 Video Editor tutorial. My name is Udit and I have created this tutorial for you so that you can start your journey as a video content creator for various platforms like Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Using this tutorial, you can make awesome traveling videos, vlogging videos, daily exercise videos, yoga videos, cooking videos, and many more such videos. This video is a step-by-step guide for those who are not aware of video editing or this tool. If you are a professional editor, then you are also welcome to watch this tutorial and give us your valuable feedbacks. So without wasting any time, let's start our tutorial.